Namaste, I am JVN Jyoti Kumawat, Faculty of Education and Methodology. Students, today I am going to start the heuristic method in teaching methodology, which is from the subject teaching approaches. So, students, last class we have discussed the other methods. In continuance of this method, today we have heuristic method. This method was laid down by Professor H.E. Armstrong. It was first used in teaching chemistry, but look at its utility. It was used in other subjects too. Horoscope literally means I discover, and in this method of teaching, students learn themselves. Teacher raise problematic situation before the students. He also guide them from where they will get material to the solution of the problems. Every student discover of the solution of the problem individually by trial and error method. And this method is a problem is placed in this method. The problem is placed before the learners, and then they are asked to find the solution of the problem through various literacy means like library, laboratory, and workshops, etc. Teacher's role is to initiate the learning, and people are active throughout the learning process by using this creativity thinking and imaginary power. They try to find out the relevant solution based on some logic they learned by self experience. This teaching strategy is focused on 3 points basically: to develop problem solving attitude, to develop scientific attitude towards the problem, and to develop power of self expression. Now students, we have some steps regarding this heuristic method. First, presentation of the problem by which the teacher to be solved in the class individually, giving information by the teacher about the material and technique that is helpful in the solution of the problem, formulation of the hypothesis by the students themselves, collection of data by the students for testing the hypothesis. Next, testing the hypothesis, accepting the true hypothesis and rejecting the false one. Here are some suggestions for this method. A teacher should keep following suggestions into account while using this method. Teacher should help students while making hypotheses. Teacher should help students in gathering the resources for the solution of the problem. Doubt should be clear in all the 5 steps mentioned above. Students should be given chance to go further themselves on the basis of trial and error theory of learning. Now students, in the given heuristic method, there are some advantages also, like it helps in achieving cognitive, affective, and psychomotor objectives. For example, it helps in all-round development of the child. Students are put into the situation to learn by self-experience. It certainly develops self-confidence and self-reliance in the learner. It helps in developing scientific attitude and creativity in the learner. Teachers encourage the learner to explore the environment in search of the solution of the problem. By doing so, some new knowledge is discovered by them also. And next advantage and last, teacher is always ready to provide individual guidance regarding the solution of the problem. Thus, interaction between the teacher and the learner takes place in a cooperative, conductive environment. Now, it also has some disadvantage, like it cannot be used at primary level of education. Higher intelligence and divergent thinking is required in the learners, there are some students who are below average and fail to succeed in discovering the solution of the problem. It frustrates them. Last disadvantage is that in true sense, none of the teachers have patience for providing individual guidance to the learner and learners through feel hesitation to approach the teacher for seeking his help. In So these were some disadvantages. In countries like India and Pakistan, the whole teaching examination center, neither teacher nor the pupil have patience to apply this teaching strategy and get the desired results. So if somebody enlightenment, the teachers of science, mathematics and social science apply this teaching method in their teaching, it will help in developing creative, confidence students. I hope you understood all. If you have any query, then please mention. We will resolve in our live session. Thank you.